So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your Xbox controller to your Samsung Galaxy A07. Now the first step when it comes to connecting your Xbox controller to your A07 is to go ahead and navigate to the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, choose Connections and then tap on Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is currently enabled and ready for you to use on your phone. From here, you then want to put your Xbox controller in pairing mode. To do that, just press on the Xbox button to switch it on. And once it's been turned on, you want to go to the very top of the controller to look for this button. On this button, you're going to press on it until this indicator light starts blinking rapidly, showing that it's in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and do so. So let's just press on that button. When it starts blinking rapidly like this, it means that the controller is in pairing mode. So go ahead and navigate back to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and then simply choose Scan. Wait for it to detect your wireless controller and then select it to establish the pairing connect process. Confirm that you wish to pair the controller and your phone together. And once you've done that and they've been connected successfully, you can now start using your Xbox controller to navigate through your phone. So any controls that you would previously use when you're using your Xbox, you can just go ahead and do the same thing. You can even press on the Xbox button to go back home. So you can now start navigating using this controller. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.